दो बजे ऐसे नहीं बताते. दोपहर 2 बजे.
And every day is a good day.
Every day is a good day. Life is beautiful in Goa. Goinkar pon, Goinkarank.
सारखे.
Everyone, a warm welcome to each and every amazing individual out here.
So today we're going to Baga. Just woke up. Spider-Man is here. Melvin is here. Same shit. Let's go to Baga. So guys, today's vlog is about us going to Baga for a shoot. So whatever happens on the way till Baga, we'll cover it. So let's go. Guys, पेट्रोल डाल रही गाड़ी में, तेल डाल रही गाड़ी में. ठीक है. हर.
So many protein.
Guys, we are going for this event at the Goa Shakathon. Guys, we are in GTA San Andreas. Look at this website, it's so aesthetic.
West side, give me the west side.
So guys, we have reached and you can see protection level is next level here. So guys, we are here at Baga Beach and parking was a headache. Crazy parking headache we have found, and then we got a parking somewhere far away. Now we're walking towards the venue and seeing what's happening. Let's see. So guys, we are going towards the beach right now to meet CM sir. Just come, and Ron Kaude sir also is there. Let's do some activities down there on the beach. Let's go. We just met Pele.
Jesus is the best and we love him. We love him. Today we are in
Baga.
Baga.
And every day is a good day.
Every day is a good day. Life is beautiful in Goa. Goinkar pon, Goinkarank.
Sarge. So guys, you can see behind me, it's a huge rush there. Why is it? Because we have Ron Kaude sir and CM sir who is checking out this Shakathon happening here. We'll try to get a bite with them. So let's see. Look at this crowd for now. This is work from Goa, where you work from the shack at the comfort of Goan beaches and the vibe. Look at this, what's happening here. Sorry.
Along with the particular challenge of Goa and the country who have all gathered here for the Goa Shakathon 2026.
So we have some crazy stuff happening here. If you can see here, there's the work Shakathon going on right behind me. If you can see this side, we have a robot. So guys, meet Nino. So guys, Nino is all set up. Let's check out what Nino
Hello
can do.
everyone, a warm welcome to each and every amazing individual out here. I am Nino, a humanoid robot. Today, I'm going to talk about water conservation.
This is a newspaper ad. When you scan this complete advertisement becomes interactive. Okay. There's no need of app download in this. Just the scan of QR code. Just press the play button and you can see it. You want me to show it?
Yes, please.
This is full. This is 2D. It can also be 3D. One more I'll show you.
Hi Ruben, Amit this side.
Yes.
I'm from Powerland. We make this electric ATV in Verna, and this is one of the first ATVs in the world which is homologated for road legal purpose in India and as well as in abroad. We do lot many exports. We almost send these vehicles to almost 22 countries. Mainly for India, we handle everything from here in Goa, and for Germany, we have a distributor dealer in Sweden, Norway, and we also keen on bringing these products with lot many equipments like fire safety hazard equipments and like for beach cleaning, patrolling. So looking forward to like introduce many more products.
Yes, for sure.
For the
do a
government.
collab soon with this.
Yeah,
Get a free one.
definitely. Yeah, thank you.
Welcome. Oh. See guys, in the end we are food bloggers, so we need to check out the food. As you can see, everyone is busy doing their work, but we are first at the buffet to check out what is there. The catering is by Cat Pro. Let's go check it out. So guys, we have with us Fogad. Then we have mixed veg Goan pulao. And then we have with us rice naga Vadachi aam. Vadachi aam malla mango curry guys. Dal makhani is here. Then very thick, and we have Goan prawn curry. Ani, my favorite kurkurit kingfish. Raw fry. And also we have chicken shakuti. And for dessert we have moong dal halwa. You can see. See, I'm sweating.
The long-term economic potential of it. If they're growing up, the research people know this. It's a matter of great pride that the whole state of Goa was conferred for the best performer award.
Please come forward in your own little style, right from the beach. He takes Goa to the world, inspiring them, everybody. The wonderful feeling. Life is good, that's what he says, this tagline. So, just your strap line, sir. Tell everybody only the strap line.
No, I want to say, I want to thanks for my all Goan people and Indian people. Thank you very much, sir, CM साहब, आमगे MLA आणि tourism minister Rohan Kaunte. Thanks for giving me this award. First, I say today I am very happy. CM putting fisherman caste dress. Thank you very much. You should understood how fishermen are pain in the hot sun. All I am asking you, here our beach MLA, head of the Goa state is CM, and this is our tourism minister. I am all asking on this stage, as CM is our CRZ minister too. All the fishermen, you should give relaxation for their house. Are you agree before 2027? Are you going to do this?
It is definitely provision is there and we'll protect all the fishermen house. Don't worry about that.
Thank you, sir. Every day.
It's a good day.
Life is good. Work from the chef. This Goa Shakadon, the fishermen been doing this since they are born. We work on the beach, we sleep on the beach, we eat on the beach. And today our Prime Minister bring this new event. It's good about him. But please do good for Goa, good for our India. Every day is a good day, life is beautiful in Goa.
नमस्कार, ये इनका ब्लॉग है पर इसको मैं आई हैव टेकन इट ओवर कम्प्लीटली। पहले तो तुम्हारा नाम मुझे बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग लगा, फिर से मुझे बताओ क्या नाम है?
Mr. Kurkurit.
कुरकुरित, कुरकुरे सुना था, कुरकुरित क्या व्हाट इज द नेम मीन?
Basically, for Goa, it has three meanings. One is kadak note, one is when you're drunk, and when you are energetic.
No, the first part, I accept you for the first part, कड़क नोट, और दूसरा मुझे बताओ टाइम क्या होता है?
अभी टाइम हुआ है दो
No,
बजे.
ऐसे नहीं बताते। दोपहर 2 बजे विजय विक्रम सिंह कुरकुरित से मिलकर कुरकुरित महसूस कर रहे हैं.
So guys, we have the voice of Big Boss.
The narrator's voice of Big Boss, yes.
Big fan. Amazing meeting you.
Thank you. Pleasure meeting you too.
After getting exhausted with that sun, we are here at Ocean World for a quick fish thali stop in Sangolda. So, as you can see, a crab. Guys, we can see a live accident happening here. फोड़ने गाड़ी guys. So guys, when you put this event bands, people struggle to remove them. They feel like they'll remove like this, and like, you know, it just doesn't come off. Simple trick is the thing under it, right? So easy. What's up guys, now we are at the donut affair, and I had promised my girl that I'll be getting something from the north, a sweet dish, but I forgot. So we are in Margaon and we're gonna pack this amazing stuff. I'll show you. We're gonna be packing this chocolate hazelnut thing here, that guy, and taking it for her, and then we'll be eating together. For now, we'll grab a small bite of the cookie brookie. So this place is crazy. Look at the ambience. So we reached Margaon and we are gonna grab this bite. And after this, what happens, I have no idea. But the vlog might also end right here because I'm super tired. Might just go and crash. Let's see. ऐसा कहना मेरा अंदर कुछ नहीं स्कैम कर रहे हैं. Cheers guys. Okay. So we tried this cookie brookie. It tastes exactly like pav asna pav. It's not a butter and sakwarani Oreo biscuit. Same. Out of 10, I would say like 5.5. Parcel picked up for her. Let's see how this is. So, how was your experience today?
Lovely.
An honest experience.
Everything was good. The experience was very good. Yeah, next 10.
And you took a photo with her?
10 on 10.
Yesterday Vinay got molested by Melvin. So guys, we're gonna end this vlog right here and here because we are fully tired, exhausted. We're going to go in the bedroom and crash.
No more content now.
Yes.
For today, they both, this guy and this guy are gonna go for a shoot now. This guy, both are gonna go for a shoot. This guy is gonna go home and make biryani.
Complete.
Tomorrow's vlog is gonna be about biryani at Melvin's place.
Yeah.
Along with new cycle. Question mark. Stay tuned.
Eating biryani, riding cycle.
Yeah.
Eating biryani, riding cycle.
And molesting biryani.
Bas ball.
Tomorrow
No
you
bus
come.
ball, no more bus.
No more buzz.
No more buzz.
Only
No more
balls.
buzz.
Bye bye.